Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 rear seat full guide. Start by folding the rear seats flat and removing any cargo or debris before you begin the job. Locate the visible bolts at the base of the seat back and the pull tabs near the hinges. Keep a 10 mm socket and trim tool handy. Work methodically from one side to the other for easier handling. Next, I will explain the tools and safety for removing the rear seat. Always disconnect the 12V power or remove the key to avoid airbag or sensor issues. Gather a 10 mm socket, T30 Torx driver, trim pry tool, and a soft blanket to protect panels. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep fasteners in a labeled container to prevent loss. Take photos during disassembly to help reassembly. Begin removal by lifting the seat cushion from the front edge and pulling it backward to release clips. Unfasten the visible bolts at the seat base using a 10 mm socket and support the seat back as you loosen. Disconnect any wiring harnesses by releasing the locking tabs and gently pulling them apart. With a partner, tilt the seat assembly out and lift it clear of the floor anchors, keeping wiring clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.